and welcome to my channel, A Lifetime of Travels. In this video, I will share the takeoff and landing from a work trip that I took to a place close by. What I've done is I kept the original soundtrack, so you can hear the engine rolls, you can hear the in-flight announcements, you can hear the sounds of the airplanes, and there's one going up there. So this was a work trip and it was a small private jet, so you will see a slightly different kind of airplane, but that's what it is. Enjoy this, and especially if you are an aviation enthusiast, you would love that engine roll, love that takeoff, love those clouds, love those, almost the feeling of flying yourself by watching the video. So enjoy this video and we'll talk soon. Thank you.
Congregate by the cockpit door at any time during flight. This is a designated non-smoking flight. It is a federal offense to tamper with, disable, or destroy a smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. The lavatory is located at the back of the cabin. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal tab into the narrow end of the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. The release lifts up on the upper portion of the buckle. You are required to have your seatbelt fastened during taxi, takeoff, landing, and any other time that seatbelt sign is illuminated. Please check now to be sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seat bags and tray tables are in their upright and locked position. Your window shades are open, and any personal items you may have brought on board are stowed securely beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. The use of small handheld electronic devices during flight is permissible as long as they are placed in airplane mode. I'll make an announcement once we reach an appropriate altitude. You may bring out laptop devices and connect devices via Wi-Fi only while remaining in airplane mode. The use of any device in cellular or Bluetooth mode is prohibited. Our flight time up to Hillsboro is approximately 90 minutes, and we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Welcome aboard! aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please check your surrounding area, including door seat pockets, for any personal items you may have brought on board. If you checked bags in San Jose or May 3rd, those bags will be available to you at the deplane. Please be sure you hold on to the handrail as you make your way down the air stairs and give your attention to ramp conditions, and please refrain from smoking in the ramp area. Ground transportation to your various Hillsboro campuses will be leaving shortly from outside the entrance of the lobby building. If you have a Hertz rental car reservation, you may collect your car keys from the Hertz representative who will be in the hallway as you enter the building. On behalf of Captain Jesse White and your entire crew, we'd like to thank you very much for flying with us today and wish you a wonderful morning. We'll be arriving at the terminal shortly, so please remain in your seat with your seatbelt on until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and the engine rolls, the takeoff, the clouds, all of that. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to it. And if you have friends who like airplanes, aviation, all that stuff, you can share this video with them, share it on your social media or forward them the link. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.